Hello friends, good morning. Hope you are doing great today. Our today's topic is 3 things I wish I knew before become a digital marketer. I know this topic is so weird, but lots of people ask me this question, and this question will really help you if you have become if you are planning to become a digital marketer in next few months or few years, because these 3 things are very important. So please watch this video till end and let's start. Before starting our video, I have to mention here one point, and that point is before going to start digital marketing as a career, I was traditional marketer, and at that time I don't knew the in and outs of digital marketing. But I have jumped in digital marketing and I don't know, or nobody has tell me these 3 things before joining digital marketing. But I have missed the train, and I really think that if these 3 things I knew before joining digital marketing, then I would have been at a different level at a digital marketing field. But I don't have any regret now. But I want to share my opinion to the freshers or the beginners who are willing to join digital marketing as a career. So understand these 3 things and try to implement all those words or all those things which I have mentioned in this video. So you will become a best digital marketer over the period of time. My first point is stay updated every day. In traditional marketing, there is no need to update on daily basis. But in digital marketing, you have to update your skills on daily basis. I'll explain what exactly updation means. In order to work in digital marketing field, you have to work in SEO, social media, email marketing, Google PPC ad, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and many more streams. Now you will see every platform is changing their user experience. The Facebook you used in 2010 was not the same Facebook you use today, and the Facebook you will going to use in 2030 will not be the same Facebook you use today. So it's not about only Facebook, it's all about every stream. If you talk about SEO, if you talk about Google paid ads, or any stream change their user experience, their orientation, update their algorithms, and become more and more user friendly and updated version. So every industry is changing their own orientation as per industry pace. So to match the tuning with your industry trend, you have to update your skills on daily basis, or as per your industry trend changes, you have to update yourself on weekly or monthly or daily basis as per your industry requirement. What thing you should do on regular basis to update your skills, that was a different question. I will create another video on that topic also, but now just understand which steps you need to understand before jumping into digital marketing. Okay, my second point is stay focused on your niche. This is my personal opinion. When you choose any specific stream in digital marketing like SEO, social media, affiliate marketing, email marketing, PPC, or anything, you have to focus on your own stream, because focusing on a single stream for a longer period of time is a very tough task. It's like we always like food from Nigawar's plate. The point is, when you focus on your niche, you will see some attractive and flashy things from other domain. Like when you work in SEO, then you will see the other social media trends happening and the social media marketing guy doing their industry work, and you will attracted to the you will attracted to the PPC or instant result things. So when you choose any stream, then you will definitely attracted from other streams. You will definitely attract to the work of other stream, and this thing happen with each and every person who work in digital marketing. But always understand one thing, and that thing is you have to focus on your niche, because some people will definitely tell you there is no scope in your field, you have to change your domain, or you shift your domain from one digital marketing field to another field. Like some people will tell you the SEO has no future, so you focus on PPC. When you work on PPC, some people will definitely tell you the PPC has a little bit scope, so you work on social media because it's trending. So you will always get too much opinion from too many people. But understand one thing, there is no such a thing like totally vanish one domain from digital marketing or totally vanish one stream from digital marketing. When you love something really, then you should work on that thing for a longer period of time. This is my personal opinion, because when you work on any single stream, you have to get knowledge, in-depth knowledge about that stream. If you really enjoy the work in that stream, if you really think like I have to change my domain, then it will happen initially when you work for initial 4 to 5 years. But for longer period of time, specification in single domain is definitely good for your career. If you want to do job for a lifetime, if you want to, if you are not sure like you are going to do job in next 10 years, 5 years, if you are planning to do something different, then the scenario is different. But if you planning to do job for a lifetime, then it's a very important to focus on your niche. Let's move to the next point, and my third and last point is your network. When you enter in digital marketing field, you have to create your own network. I'll explain in details. Network means people who are working from your industry or your niche. Now the question arises in your mind, I'm not working in network marketing or the pyramid scheme or any other network scheme. So is it really important for me to create or to build my own network? Then my answer is yes. Yes, it's very important from day one to create your own network. Whatever you do, you want to do a job, or you want to do your own business, or you want to start your own agency, network is really important, and it's play a crucial role in your career, in your job, your business or your agency. I'll explain little bit details. If you are a fresher and if you have started working as a beginner in digital marketing, then network play a crucial role. Like when you create a good amount of network, or you have connected to the some senior level people in your industry or in your niche, then they will definitely help you to get a good job or a good MNC job from their organization or their relatives or their network organization, because recommendation will play a crucial role while selection. Every industry use or support and accept the people who are referred, because those people are most likely or most prefer apart from the unknown people. Okay, this is a funny thing about network, but it really helps you to get a good salary hike in your organization. Yes, if you have a good network and if you have supported by good people, then you will definitely get a good salary hike in MNC companies. This is not applicable for all organization, but most of the MNC organization will consider this thing when you are working in as a MNC company or as a digital marketer in MNC companies. So this thing really matter. If you talk about the long term benefits of network, then I will tell you one thing. If you have stuck to any point, like if your campaign is not going too well, if you did not get some result from your campaign, or if you don't understand your client requirement, then you can ask queries to your network. You can ask where you stuck. You can ask them what is the solution, or what steps should I follow in order to get success, or how I overcome these things, or how I overcome the queries which arise from my campaign or from my industry. So it will definitely help, or people will definitely help you from your network to get you a successful campaign, because once you get an idea about successful campaign, you should definitely share some success stories, and it will get a beneficiary for both the suggester people also and the receiver people also. So network play here a crucial role. Network play a very important role in each and every aspect. If I'm talking about a network, then I can create a different video, because this video will become a very lengthy if I talk about the network. So if you want to know what exactly network play a crucial role in MNC, small organization, mid-level organization, or in your agency, or if you want to planning to do business in digital marketing, then network play a crucial role. If you want to know each and every detail about this topic, then please do let me know in comment section. I will definitely create a separate video on that topic, and I will explain you each and everything. So these are all my 3 things if I wish to knew before joining digital marketing as a career. And if you want to jump into digital marketing for whatever the reason, to do your own business, to start agency, or to start a job in MNC companies, for whatever the reason you want to do a digital marketing, then you should definitely consider these 3 things, because these 3 things are very, very, very important in any organization or any digital marketer people. So understand these things, and if you have any question about this topic, just do let me know in comment section below. And if you like this video, please share this video and subscribe. Please subscribe. I really need subscribers on my YouTube channel, so please subscribe. Thank you.